Hi, my name is Trun Krishnan, and today I will be presenting the ceiling fan. The ceiling fan, the idea of the ceiling fan was first discovered in ancient Rome, in the Roman Empire, but it was officially documented first in the 1700s in India through the invention called the punka. Here you can see it in the picture. Essentially, the punka was operated by hand, and the way it works is it has a singular blade that moves back and forth by pulling a cord. And essentially, it pushes air forward and backward across a room by pulling on the cord with that large singular blade. This later evolved to become the ceiling fan that we know today with that similar design. In 1860, a ceiling fan was invented, but it used steam energy and not electricity. And as you can see in the picture, it had the same idea of a ceiling fan that we know today, which is it mounts on a ceiling and it has blades that are slightly angled to create some air resistance and therefore a downward airflow that you can feel when you're under a ceiling fan. However, this is powered using steam energy instead of electricity. The first electric ceiling fan was founded in 1882 by Philip Deal, and it was originally intended to be used for sewing machines, the design of it, but it was applicable to a ceiling fan. And this is a simple old type of ceiling fan from 1882. And this is what the rough design looks like. It has the angled blades that push air downwards using electricity. So today, nowadays, we use ceiling fans all the time to create cooler airflow. So say it's a hot day, like today, for instance, and you want to get cooler air throughout your room and to have more airflow. The ceiling fan functions in that way and gives you that cooler air. And by having those angled blades, which are now more refined nowadays, and having different speed settings, you can really use ceiling fans to your liking and to your preferences. So, ceiling fans typically function through electricity, which is found from the sun. 51% of the sun's energy is absorbed by the Earth's surface. And from there, we can see that you can use solar energy to get this energy from the sun. Essentially, the solar panels absorb the light of the sun during the day, and that light is later turned into electricity. As you can see in the picture, it provides a nice diagram. That energy from the solar panels is then transferred into the energy that we can use in our houses. So essentially, the energy that's absorbed by the solar panels during the day is then put into a DC converter or a direct current converter, and that essentially conditions the electricity into the power that we can use in our air sockets. And the excess power is also used and is sent to the utility company in which it corresponds to. Now, PG&E offers solar energy and a solar renewal program, and because of this, the solar panel idea can be applicable to that. That's it. Thank you.